Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called sound and vibration. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down, and as you can see we have the volume sliders. First we need to turn off the silent mode, so tap on the switch, and now we can adjust the sound volumes for alarm, media, ringtone, and that's about it. Okay, let me turn on the silent mode so it won't play the music anymore. But basically that's how it works. You turn off the silent mode, and here you can adjust the volume for the sounds by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.